In today's video, we'll be doing product research with TikTok. TikTok is not only a fun dancing app, it is also a very powerful tool to find new products. Let's jump right into the research. Let's go. Hey everyone, my name is Orin and welcome back to my channel. If you're interested in learning more about online business, mindset, and all things entrepreneurship, make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Alright, so the very first thing we are doing is heading over to TikTok. So we can simply use the web browser for this. We don't have to go through the phone app. And if you have the phone app, then that's great too. You also don't need to log in or create an account. We can simply go to the browser section and type Amazon. So when you type Amazon, you will see a lot of other topics populating. And for this one, we'll go ahead with Amazon Products 2023. Usually, I always go for Amazon Finds, but this one looks interesting, so I'm gonna check here. So these are the videos that's showed up. And so there's also a couple of Amazon accounts that has showed up. So right at the top of the browser, if you go, you will see top accounts, videos, and live. So the top will be the top performing videos. Like this one has 22.5 million views, and then the accounts are the accounts that were just showing up, and the video is also pretty much very similar to the top popular videos. Okay, so this video says they have 5 top products, but they look like very old products to me, even this blender. So we are going to go out of this one and check this one, at least for the fact that it has 22.5 million views. I'm really curious to see what it is. Okay, so this looks like it's a bed, but I feel like this is a dog bed in human size, so human dog bed, which is quite interesting and a lot of people might actually buy it. All right, now let's head to Alibaba and see if we can find something similar to this. So we are gonna write a human dog bed. Okay, there are a lot of searches with this, so looks like people are looking for this. The price is very high and already I can see this might not be a very good product, but we are still going to look for more. Okay, there is one which was $7, starting at 7 and then starting at 16. Okay, they have different sizes. Okay, minimum order is 1 piece, so this looks like very much like a drop shipping kind of a product, but we are still gonna go and check more information. And actually before that, we are gonna go to Amazon and find out if people are actually selling this and how they're performing. All right, so we search for human dog bed and then these are showing up. This is not the same. I really don't think that this is the same size as those. They're pretty small. Okay, now we have one over here, but the prices are very high and totally understandable because the purchase price was very high for the seller, as we just saw on Alibaba, and pretty much all of them are similar price. It's quite a new product, so I think that is why it doesn't have reviews, but what I understand is it's quite a big product and it will be quite heavy. The BSR looked okay, but still I don't think this is going to be a very easy product to sell. Okay, so we're back in TikTok and okay, this looks quite interesting and maybe also a little complicated at the same time because it has too many moving parts, so I kind of try to stay away from products like that. Next we have this chopper. This looks new. The blades are a little bit different, so let's check this out. Okay, so it just chops everything. Okay, this could be a great product. It's manual, you have to do it with your hand, and it looks like it's pretty fast. So let's go to Amazon and check for this chopper. All right, so now we have these as results, and some of them are electric and some of them are hand chopper, but we cannot really see the exact one that we saw on TikTok. But maybe this pastel one, this one looks quite similar. Maybe we can check this one out. All right, this also looks quite similar, but we're gonna check for some more. Okay, there you go. This is, I think, the chopper that we saw. I think this is the exact same one. So let's open this up and check. All right, so this is the same exact one and they're selling it for 22 AED. It's the same exact chopper. You have to chop it with your hand manually. And let's go and check for all the other details. The blade is the exact same. Okay, so now let's see if we can find this on Alibaba. Now I have a better idea of the name. So it's hand press vegetable chopper or cutter. That's what at least I saw on Amazon. And so now we have all of these results. Not this one, not that. All right, there you go. This is the one, and it also says that it's new and the price looks great. Let's open this up. All right, this looks like it's a new product in Alibaba as well, and I love the price, but I would actually look for some more suppliers of the same product because this supplier is just 1 year in business, at least on Alibaba, so that could be a little bit tricky. Now on Amazon we also saw this one, and honestly this looks to me like a better product, and this looks like it's more sturdy. So you don't always have to go for the exact product, you can always go for a better version of it. This surely looks to me like a better version. So you can head to Alibaba and browse a little more inside of Alibaba and find this product, and then you can check for the prices and see if it works out for you to sell this product. All right, so there are a couple of more fun items that I just came across. This spider catching a tool, and then this pizza box. This is so creative, and then you can make this smaller as well. So these kind of products you'll just not come across so easily. By the way, I would stay away from this ear cleaning camera tool. It doesn't look very safe to me. And then we have this cheese grater. Oh my god, this is genius. This is manual, but it's so good. This product could really do well, so I'm gonna check on Amazon and let's see what comes. Okay, so we have something similar over here, and so see, we always use these kind of graters for cheese or shredding anything, and it's a lot of work, so a grater like this could be a great idea and it could sell as well. So I found one which has 149 reviews, so which means it's quite a good product and it has not too much competition, which is great. Okay, inside of this listing it has all these variations, but then again I mostly suggest not to launch with a lot of variations. One product usually does really well. Okay, so the base art looks okay to me, and the weight and everything also looks fine. Okay, let's go check the reviews. All right, so the reviews aren't that great, not too good. It was broken, and then so those reviews were from UAE and these are from other countries, and they all seem to be pretty good. They're all mostly 5-star reviews, so I feel like something went wrong with the quality of the product for the supplier who was selling here on Amazon. Something to keep in mind when you are sourcing your product, make sure to always check with samples and try to look for the best version, because ultimately you want to build a reputable brand. So this looks quite similar to that other grater. This is manual and this looks like a pepper grinder. The price looks great too, but we're going to try to find the one that we saw. And okay, this is the one that we saw. Looks like this is also a very new product in Alibaba, and the price looks great. The seller has been selling for 9 years on Alibaba, which is great. The MOQ is 1,000 pieces, but you can always talk to them, negotiate with them. Usually when they are an old seller, they try to write the listings like this, but you can always negotiate with them. Suppliers sometimes just want to drive you away. They want to find out if you're a serious seller or not, because look here, it says 96 pieces MOQ, and on the top of the listing it's 1,000 pieces. So you just always have to speak to them and find out. TikTok is an amazing place to find top selling, winning Amazon products. Just do your researches with Amazon Made Me Buy It or Amazon Finds. If this video was helpful or added any value, please give us a big thumbs up. Also subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know in comments below if you have any questions. I'll try my best to answer most of them, and I'll see you in the next one.